In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix UC browser app not working. So if UC browser application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, there might be some bugs in the app. So what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for UC browser. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for UC browser and tap on it. Now once you do that, in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and your application will be updated. After you do that, the bug should be fixed and your problem should also be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, the problem might be caused because of the cache. So in that case, clear the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for UC browser and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You can see two options over here, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the cache has been cleared. Now your application should start working. If your application still does not work, what you have to do is uninstall the application and install it again. After you do that, your application will surely work. But if the application still does not work, the problem might be with your device itself. There might be some temporary software glitches. So what you have to do is long press on the power button. So what you have to do is restart your device, long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem should be solved. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix UC browser app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.